Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll be showing you simple ways on how to authenticate your wallet on Valeris Network. To do this, go to your browser. Once you're in the browser, input Valeris.network. Now once this loads, you will be welcomed with this beautiful UI. You can scroll through the page or through the platform, the application, to see all it offers. You can come down here to the how to use and click on it and then see how to properly use the application. They give a clear description of how to use each part of the application and on different levels. Now let's go back to the purpose of the video. To connect your wallet or authenticate your wallet on the platform, first thing to do would be to click on this wallet icon. If you're using your mobile phone, on a desktop you will see it clearly, connect wallet. Now click on it. Once you do that, it's going to pop up this modal for you, giving you three options to connect your wallet. The first one will be the mnemonic phrase, the next one is the private key, and the last one is JSON key stop. The most popular ones are the mnemonic phrase and then the private key, but for this video I will be concentrating on the mnemonic phrase. So to do that, first thing to do is to select it, click on it. Once you do that, it loads up a new page where you have to input your mnemonic phrase. Now once you get to this page, just paste it or type it, whichever way. I already have it copied, so I'm typing it. I'm going to blur this for security reasons. Your seed phrase should only be seen by you. You should not allow others see your seed phrase because it's important. So the next thing to do is to click on the import. Give it a few seconds. Now this is going to process. Now as you can see, we have successfully logged into our wallets. And if you come here, now if you try to click that button again, it begins to ask you to connect. Or you can come to this part, the menu, click on wallet, and then you would see your wallet and all its balance currently. So currently I have just about 7,976 dollar worth of tokens on the platform, on my wallet rather. And you can see that by the value I have here, 2.943 ether and 8,138 USDT. So guys, this is a simple way to connect your wallet to Valeris Network. I hope this has been helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, or comment, ask questions. If you have any confusion, I'll be in the comment section. You can also send me an email. I will stick my email on the comment section where you can ask me questions if you have any confusions. Until next time, stay safe.